Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today we're talking about electrical tools, the ones that help you work with wires safely and cleanly.
Because electricity is amazing, but also not something you want to learn from experience.
Electrical tools are hand tools designed specifically for working with electrical systems, cutting wires, stripping insulation, tightening terminals, and testing circuits.
They look similar to regular tools, but the big difference is insulation. That colorful handle isn't just decoration, it's protection.
Let's start with the basics. First, insulated screwdrivers. These are made to handle live or near-live components safely when used correctly.
Regular screwdrivers are great, just not when electricity is involved.
Next, wire strippers. They remove insulation cleanly without damaging the copper inside.
Using pliers instead might work once. After that, you'll be wondering why your connection keeps failing.
Then we have lineman's pliers and long-nose pliers, perfect for gripping, bending, and cutting wires.
Basically, these are your hands, but stronger, steadier, and less likely to slip.
Another essential tool is the voltage tester or multimeter.
Because guessing whether a wire is live is not a strategy, it's a gamble.
Before touching anything, always turn off the power at the breaker.
Yes, even if you're pretty sure it's off. Pretty sure is not safe, sure.
Always use tools with proper insulation ratings, especially when working near live circuits.
And if the insulation is cracked or damaged, retire the tool. No heroic last jobs.
Keep your workspace dry and organized. Water, loose wires, and clutter don't mix well with electricity.
Electricity already has enough energy. No need to add chaos.
One common mistake is using the wrong tool for the job.
Another is rushing. Electrical work rewards patience, not speed.
Electrical tools are all about precision, protection, and preparation.
Use the right tools, follow basic safety rules, and electrical work becomes much less intimidating.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Stay safe, work smart, and we'll see you in the next Tool Talk Pro video.